Hello everyone, I believe we can hear me. Okay, so if you're here, can you quickly do some confirmations for me? Let me know if you can hear me properly, and if you can see me, then we'll be good to go for tonight. So today I'm going to be teaching us how you can create your own cryptocurrency yourself. And this is very simple, and it is also very, very cheap. Okay, you don't need a lot of money to create your own cryptocurrency, and this is why I want to show us simply how it is done. Okay, for 2 3 days now we've been talking about different ways you can make money through cryptocurrencies. I have showed us how you can make money through stakings, how you can make money through um, you know different investments in cryptocurrency, how you can make money even through liquidity pool, through mining, and a lot of them. All right. Today, I want to show us how you can create your own cryptocurrency. Trust me, there is a lot of money in creating your own cryptocurrency. And when I say create your own cryptocurrency, I mean you develop your own project. Okay. Now, some of the benefits you would get, or one major benefit, is that you can give a pre-sale, which means you request for a pre-sale. People invest in your project, they buy, send you money as parts of partnership. Then you send them your assets, the cryptocurrency. It is called pre-sale. I also discussed this extensively in one of the previous videos we did in one of our live sessions here. All right, so you can go see that and learn what it means to participate in pre-sale, as it is one of the ways you can also make money through cryptocurrency. Okay, you can do pre-sale, generate money, and use it to sponsor your projects. That way you might not even need to spend money, your own money on the project. Communities can take over the project for you. What you need to do is get a good social media community, create your cryptocurrency, and then give a pre-sale, generate public funds, use it to do your liquidity stakings, and you can make a lot of money through this. All right. So very quickly tonight, let me show us how you can make money on this platform. I mean, cryptocurrency, by generating your own cryptocurrency. Okay. Um, the first thing you would want to do is go to, let me share my screen so we can get everything properly. Yeah, before I forget, if you are just joining for the first time, or you've been here and you've not subscribed to my channel, please do that. Subscribe to my channel as a way of supporting what I do here, because on this channel I teach you how to make money, especially through cryptocurrency and various ways you can make money online. So let's see. I want to share my screen right away. Give me a moment. Yeah. All right, so we'll go straight into how you can do this right now. Where is my, okay. All right, so right away, I want to take us through the process of creating your own cryptocurrency, creating your own token, and we are going to do this on the BNB Smart Chain Network. Okay, network is like the link or the blockchain you're going to be launching this cryptocurrency on, just the way we have our MTN network or MTN line, Blue Line, and Airtel in Nigeria. In blockchain, we have different network as well. We have the BNB, we have the Ethereum, and a lot of them. So we are going to be doing this on the BNB Smart Chain Network, and this is because it is very cheap to create cryptocurrency on the BNB Smart Chain Network. Okay, and you don't need to worry if you have no prior knowledge about programming, because what we're going to be doing here tonight is copy and paste. Some guys already made these materials available. So what we are going to be doing is you copy these things, you edit them, and you change what you need to change for that program or that data to become yours. So we're going to be doing copy and paste. So if you in case you feel like, or you are feeling like this is going to be difficult, it is not difficult. Very simple and very cheap. Okay, right here I am on the remix.ethereum.org. Let me reload this. Mind you, whatever link I'm going to be using here tonight is already provided in the description of this video. So you would want to check it out and use this if you're ready, or when you're ready to start your own creation. Okay, so when you load remix.ethereum.com, you might just want to take this off. This is how it looks like. Well, I don't know if you can use this on your mobile phone, but you might want to try it out. Meanwhile, I have never used it. I've never tried it on a mobile phone, just my PC, which I doubt if it might work or it will work on your mobile phone. Okay, so here it is, the remix.ethereum.org. One thing you will need is to have a MetaMask. Okay, MetaMask is what we use to trade, especially for the decentralized exchange on the PC. Okay, if you are using a mobile phone, I'm sure you are aware of the Trust Wallet. Here we use MetaMask. I already downloaded it here. You see MetaMask, and I have pinned it. Now I have also deposited, something into this wallet, and now I want to use this. This is $9. We are not even going to be spending this amount for the creation, but just to show you that I already have a MetaMask. So when you download a MetaMask on your Chrome browser, yeah, you would want to pin it, or launch it and pin it on this space on your Chrome. Okay, then it would be on the Ethereum main network like this. This is how it comes. I am going to show us how you can change from the Ethereum network to the BNB network on MetaMask. The first thing you will do is go to the Ethereum mainnet here, click on this, then you see that BNB Smart Chain is already added. But because you are going to be adding yours, as at when you want to do this, you just have to click on Add Network. And when you do, it is going to ask you which network you want to add. Let me quickly take us through the process. You say BNB, BSC, Binance Smart Chain. Is it here? Okay, add network here manually. You can add manually. Then you will be asked to provide the network name. You will be asked to provide this RPC URL, which is the link. This is the chain ID, the symbol of the network, and everything. Well, you don't have to bother about this. You can simply go to the Binance Academy, which I think I already loaded here, Binance Academy, and you will see all the informations you need. We scroll down, this is it. So this is the name, Smart Chain. This is, the URL which you need. You copy this. This is the chain ID. This is the symbol, and this is the block explorer. So you just copy all of this, and it is very simple. You put them in here, and you're done. When you save it, you are going to have your own smart chain network here. Let me show us one more time. You're going to have here, just the way you can see mine. So let's go back to my BNB Smart Chain. So this is it. After you get the BNB Smart Chain network here on your MetaMask, you will want to send some funds to it. You want to send some BNB, and this is where you copy the address. So you make sure you have a balance here before you start this process. Okay, now back to the remix.ethereum, where we are going to create a token. At the left corner, you will see under the file explorer, you would see create new file. So we're going to click on the create new file. See my previous project, you can see Onoja here. Okay, I'm going to create another one here. Somebody should suggest a name for me in the comment section very quickly. Let me see. What name do you want me to call this token we are going to create? I need this to be interactive. So somebody should quickly suggest a name for me here so we can continue. What name are we going to give to this? What do you think should be the name for? You can just give me a name if you are online. Drop a name and we'll go with it. Okay, so I am waiting. Okay, Crypto Hub token. So we got one. Let's go with Crypto Hub. Crypto Hub token. Let's get this Crypto Hub first. Just Crypto Hub. Then after putting the name here, you would want to end it with .sol, because what we are doing here is on Solidity, and make sure you add a .sol at the end of this file's name. Okay, so I have done this, and just click on enter, and this is it. This is the page. This is where you're supposed to write your script. You're supposed to put, the programs, everything. Because we are going to be doing copy and paste, like I mentioned earlier, we are going to be taking this data from somebody who has already provided everything. And what we need to do is change things, we want for our project. And that is why the it's the blocks is what we are going to use. Remember, I said I have provided all the links you need to get the materials that are going to be used on this in this video rather. Okay, so when you scroll down, you will see the programs here from number 1, 2, 3 down to 44. What we are going to do is to make sure we copy everything here. Okay, from the number 1. So I'm going to copy this. No, okay, here. So I will copy, and when I copy, go back to remix here, and then paste it. Okay, paste code alert. Yeah, I did it. So here we are. This is what we just pasted on our programming sheet, and we are going to change just 3 things. Yes, don't be confused. This is actually very simple. We'll be changing 3 things. The 6, 7, and 8. So from here, we're going to be changing this and this to this place. This is what we are going to be working on, and that's all. So let's start right away. The first one is the total supply of your token. How many pieces of this cryptocurrency do you want out there? What is the total supply you want to set? So we're going to say this should be 1 million. So I think this is 1 million. Am I right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, pardon me. And then this is the public name, and we're going to change this name to Crypto Hub token. Okay, Crypto Hub token. There's already a token there, so I'll just put Crypto Hub. Crypto Hub. Yep. So this is Crypto Hub token, and the symbol, we are going to edit that too. Let's say the symbol for this should be CHT. Yeah, C. Let me take this off, please. CHT, Crypto Hub token. Yep. And this is it. We are good to go. The next thing you want to do is to come here and compile. Yes, this is to compile the solidity, everything we've done here. Let's compile it. Remember, you can always come back to see this video if you need it. I am going to post it or drop it on my channel, so make it come. So we'll click here, and you would want to change this compiler. You see this compiler code here. It has to be the same with what the Solidity program is here. Now this is 0.8.2, and we need to make sure it is the same thing here. You would simply check through all of this and make sure it is 0.8.2. Okay, haven't verified this, you go ahead to click on the compile Crypto Hub. So click on compile, and this is the warnings we are getting. Okay, well, you don't need to bother about this because it will not stop us from doing what we want to do. So let's just go ahead. So we've compiled this data, and the next thing you would want to do is you go to this deploy space. We want to deploy our project. So you click on deploy. The first one, the first thing you will see here is the environment. So we are going to change this to what we are using. This is MetaMask, right? So we are going to change this to MetaMask. In case you don't see the injector provider, you might see the Web3. Web3 also represents this injector provider, which matches the MetaMask. So if you see Web3, you pick that. If you see injector provider, it speaks the same thing. So we'll click this, the injector provider, and here my wallet is already connected. Okay, it is already connected. If it were to be disconnected at this point, as soon as you click on the MetaMask here, it is going to request that you connect with your MetaMask, and you just do that by clicking connect. Now we have done this. The next thing you would want to do here is to deploy. It is very simple. So we click on deploy, and it is going to take us to confirm the transaction. Told you there are little charges which would enable this transaction run smoothly. Okay, so you just click on confirm. This is the estimate gas fee for what we are doing for the creation, $1.37. This is the equivalence in BNB. So you click on confirm, which I'm going to do right away. Oh, sorry. Currently, okay. So this is my contract address. Yes, it has been successful. You can see. Yep. So this is my contract address. Yep. You would want to copy it, and in fact, let's check the MetaMask. Okay, you see that the charges is already removed from my balance here, and I am left with 7.98. Okay, the contract deployment was successful. Now, this is my contract address. I have copied it from here, and I am going to add this contract here so that you will see what we just created. So you go to assets, and you scroll down to the last thing here. You see import token. Click on that. The contract address, which is this, We are going to paste it here. And here, you see the name, Crypto Hub T, the symbol is here. And this is the token decimal. So add token, you see the balance, everything is here. So import. Now we have Crypto Hub token on my MetaMask. I already deployed this, and as a matter of fact, I have successfully created a cryptocurrency with less than $2. All right, let me show us something. Let's go to BSC scan. BSC scan. Okay, this is Caplock. Oh, BSC scan.io. So we'll go here. The contract address that I copied, this guy. You know, for every contract, there is an agreement or there is something to hold on to. You know, after a successful deployment of this data, there is going to be a point or a form of agreement and something to show that there has been a transaction between me and this person. Okay, that is why contract address is provided. So when you get this contract address, you can use it to check out for the contracts and everything that has happened, or everything that is happening in this contract. You can check it out. So that is what I want to do. Copy this and go to BSC scan, which is the back end for BNB Smart Chain. And I am going to paste this here. Okay. When I look it out, let's see. Let's see what it brings forth. Now, you see, this is my token name, Crypto Hub, you see, token. And this is the creator's address and the contract address. There has been no transaction. Okay, this is the only transaction that has happened here, which was when I created the contract. You can see contract creation. You can see it was 3 minutes ago, and that is the only thing that we have here. If there is any transaction going on this contract, you are going to see it. Like if somebody buys this, or I send it out like that, you will see it here. So at the end of this video, you might just want to drop your BSC, your smart chain contract wallet, so that I will credit you with some of the token we've created. You should have some in your wallet as well. So you can send me your BNB smart chain. It is not sellable right now, but I will show us how to add liquidity so that you'll be able to buy and sell this. Back to the remix, I want to send this out. I want to send some out, So what I'm going to do is go to the deploy and click on this arrow. You will see transfer. Where is it? Okay, this is transfer. So I'm going to copy my address, this one. This is the address for my wallet. So I'll copy it, come back to this place, click on this drop down arrow to this address, paste it here. And what quantity do I want to send out of this place? Say I want to send, say, 100. And that is it. So I would need to confirm this transaction as well. Here, confirm. And that is all. I have sent some out. Let me check it out on the BSC scan. Let's refresh this, see if there is any transaction going on right now in this place. It has not reflected contracts. Let's wait for it again. Refresh. Yeah, it has reflected. You can see that another transaction has been produced here, and this is to tell you you can track whatever is going on, using the contract address. So let's check my MetaMask for the assets. Is it? So this is it. This is Crypto Hub token. We just successfully created this. Now, the next thing I want to show us is how you can add liquidity, to what you created to your cryptocurrency. Liquidity enables the buying and selling. Okay, when you add liquidity, people will be able to buy your projects. They'll be able to sell as well. And as soon as the liquidity is removed, of course, nobody will be able to buy or sell. So this is why you need to add liquidity, and I'm going to show us how to do that. I'm also going to show us how you can add your cryptocurrency to CoinMarketCap. Remember, we've been talking about CoinMarketCap and how to check out for good projects on CoinMarketCap, how to find new projects on CoinMarketCap, So I will show us how you can do that, how you can go about these processes. All right. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, of course, if you've not. And if you have not been following for a few days now, we have talked about a lot, and this will help you make money through cryptocurrency. So I will say, check my profile, and under my videos, you will see possibly the live stream videos. You will see those videos and learn from them. Okay, so the next thing here is how to add liquidity, and this will take us to the pancakeswap, right? Pancakeswap.finance is where we are going to add liquidity to this token so that it will be easy for trading. So you would want to connect your wallet here, and I'm going to do that to my MetaMask, and still loading. So connect it. Yes, connected. Once it is connected, you want to go to trades, and you will see liquidity. Click on the liquidity. Okay, you see add liquidity here. We're going to add liquidity. It always comes in pairs. So if you want to add liquidity rather to any cryptocurrency, you have to pay it with another asset. So right here, we are going to be doing BNB and something else, and that something else will be our own token, the Crypto Hub token. Now, they said you should search for the name, or you paste the address. Right now, if you search for Crypto Hub token, you will not see it. Okay, you can see that it is not part of what we have here. This is also CHT, but it is not us. This is finance somebody and coin helper token. So it is not Crypto Hub. That is why you will need the contract address. Let's go get the contract address here. This is it. We'll copy it, and we are back to the pancakeswap. So I'm going to paste the contract address here, and it will show the precise token we want to add liquidity for. This is Crypto Hub token. So import this, and of course, they are trying to warn you that whatever, well, it's fine. Okay, you are the first liquidity provider here. Yes, so the ratio of tokens you add will set the price of the pair. Yes, because as a developer or as the owner, you are the one to set how much you would want this to cost. Whatever liquidity amount you add will determine how much it is going to cost for people to buy it. Now, let's say the liquidity I'm going to add is just 0.01, for example, say 0.01 BNB, of course, which is 3.08 USD. The equivalence in let's say it's supposed to give an equivalence already. Okay, 0.03, maybe this is small. Let's say 0.025 or 2. Okay. I think this, my balance right now is small. Let's try something else like 1 BNB and see what problem is. Okay. Well, let me try it so know what is going on. Okay. BNB. Yep. Let's go back to see 1 BNB. See LP token and yep. Okay. Let's refresh this page to see add liquidity. Okay. I hope our wallet is still connected. Yes, it is 0.01. It's still not showing. Okay, I think it's still loading here. Okay, let's wait and see why it is still loading. Well, basically, when you put the amount of BNB you want to use for your liquidity here, it is going to show the price range. You know, how many BNB is going to be equivalent to how many CHT is going to be equivalent to BNB, and the equivalence for BNB to CHC is going to appear here. But I am still waiting for it to show, to give me this before. Don't really know why it is. Let's say we are using Pancake and still using one Pancake. Still not showing. Okay, BNB. What could be? Okay, let's go back a bit. Let me check for, let's see. Trade and liquidity. I'm going to add the liquidity now over again. BNB to the contract address, which is this. Okay, so I'm saying I want 0.02, and it is still not showing. I'll try to check this out and maybe drop the video, after now. But currently I cannot fix my hand on exactly what is wrong. But like I said, when you put the amount you want to add as liquidity here, it is supposed to give whatever price your coin is going to be here, and that would enable you buy and sell. I really wish I can do this right now so that I will also sell it back and show us, how it is done. Um, let's see. If I can make this work. And okay, let me try to add um, next one. And this is supposed to be an arrow pointing down that can switch this interface, and it is not showing that, which means the problem is from pancakeswap right now. Probably there is an alteration. Okay, let's see limits. Let's check swap. Okay, well, this is how I'm supposed to get here. Hold on for a sec, please. Let me. For this, we're supposed to have this kind of arrow. When I add liquidity, and all I put tokens, let's see. Okay, BNB and this guy. Create. Whoa, we're still back here and it is giving me the same thing. What's the number? So maybe I will make another video about this, but basically this is the simple way you can create your token, add liquidity to it, then you will be able to buy and sell it under the swap. You can, buy and sell it, change this to your contract address. It will show your token. Right now, we will not be able to buy or sell this token because there is no liquidity. So there is no liquidity, insufficient liquidity for this trade. I think the availability of adding liquidity right now is faulty. So now when you add liquidity to your token, you can go to CoinMarketCap and request for you apply for listing. This is what you do. You get to you click on the Alexandria, and under the announcements for listings, you can scroll down to click on the listings. When you want to apply, all you need is the email, the name of the assets, the crypto assets, and full subjects. You can just go through this form, and it is absolutely free. This way, your asset is going to be listed as soon as this form is accepted or it is approved. Okay, you go through them. You need to provide quality information, about this project, your white paper, you can say, everything, your social media handles, because CoinMarketCap is going to publish all of that so that people can reach out to you, investors can, reach out to you and buy your assets. So this is the simple way you can create cryptocurrency. You can add liquidity. You can request for listing on CoinMarketCap, and it is one way to also make a lot of money in crypto space. All right. So this will bring us to the end of how to create your own cryptocurrency. All right. I am going to be making I'm going to be giving us some cryptocurrencies to buy, especially the ones that would give us quick profits, like for the day traders, so we can make good scalping. And for this reason, I will be coming up live every evening. The time will be communicated, I think between 8 to 9 p.m. Nigeria time. I am going to be coming live to give us some analysis on what to buy. Previously, I have shared so many cryptocurrencies we should buy, and you know, I keep getting this request to make this public. And instead of sharing it just within the groups, I am going to be coming up live here. So you would want to check out every evening, excluding Saturdays and Sundays. Monday to Friday, I'm going to be up here and telling you what to buy, giving you a rundown, a review of how the crypto markets is that day and what to expect. I think this is a very nice one, and you should take advantage of it. All right. Thank you very much. If this video is helpful, which I believe it is, kindly give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you've not. It is very important to me. All right. You can also share this video with as many as you would want to help with this information. Don't forget, you can reach me as well on any of my social media platforms, and I will respond to you as fast as I can. All right. I think with all of this, I'll bring to a close our 3 days crypto free class. Thank you. I appreciate your time and all. Thank you.